Hello friends, this is Vishakha. I'm a resident of Pocket C, Sarita Vihar, New Delhi, which is very close to the Apollo Hospital. Today I'm posting this video because I'm flabbergasted and very annoyed with the RWA and especially the kind of people who stay here. They are not even forget the rules laid down by our honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Kejriwal, who has relaxed the necessary things like maids and stuff like that. They're not even properly following the rules and the guidelines which have been laid down by him and the MHA. I have posted a Facebook post today, which I've tweeted also on my Twitter handle vishakha.gulati, which talks about the certain rules which are being completely flouted by the residents of Pocket C, and the RWA is doing nothing but just sitting quiet about it. They had a meeting with the SHO and they kind of posted some rules on it, to which a lot of people opposed. Probably they can't live without maids, though they have a lot of money, and they can have live-in servants, but they can't live without maids and dogs. You can see maids coming in on rickshaws, which is not allowed. You can see people roaming their dogs, peeing and pooing on the road. Who will clean all this? Is the government prepared for all this? You can see maids now who are coming into the colony, especially in Sea Pocket, who don't have proper toilet facilities. They poo and pee behind the backyards of our kitchens, which is stinking. There is no sweep press which is coming every day to clean the roads. So there is a lot of leaves and a lot of stuff lying around the road which does not get cleaned. The garbage collector is not coming every day. He comes every alternative day or every third day to collect. And thankfully, our RW says that we cannot do anything about it. Right? We are paying quarterly charges of about 1300 to 1200 rupees to the RWA to maintain certain benefits for it. There is an RWA committee which has been chosen specially by the public. I had doubts about it because that is a musical chair which keeps going on around here. And the rules are being flouted in n number of ways. People are roaming and jogging without masks, forget being inside the house. Since the time the thekas have been opened, we all have seen the videos, what is happening around. I have a senior citizen father who stays with me, and we have two medical attendants, and we take so much of care, we don't even go outside the house. I am the only person who cleans, sweeps, wipes, cooks food, everything, and the attendants come and go outside their house. They wash, they have special slippers to wear inside the house. To my dismay, my attendants have been telling me for the last 3 days, even though the thermal scanners have been given to the guards, they are entering the premises without being even thermally scanned. No sanitization is in process. Just two or twice, maybe, or once, the sanitization process took place, and there were some videos made out of it just to post it on Facebook and show people, oh, we are doing the sanitization process. I would like to ask the Delhi Chief Minister, Mr. Kejriwal, who is going to take responsibility in these areas, which is a red zone, especially Madanpur Khadar, Aligaon, Badarpur, Rajasthani camp, Priyanka camp, all these places where the maids are coming from. Why is it that there is a relaxation given in these red zones for people to move around, especially even in the curfew time, which is 7 p.m. to 7 a.m.? You can see there is so much of traffic on the road, which is normally usual than higher than usual. So I want to ask today each and every citizen of this city, each and every person of this Pocket C, are they willing to take the risk of one person getting COVID positive and the entire lane pocket block getting sealed? Is the RWA going to bear the charges for losing any person who's dear and near to our families? And are they ready to prepare themselves for this kind of a showdown? And I'm putting this video especially because people do not these days like to read a lot, but they listen a lot. But I doubt whether any action will be taken or not, but it is my duty to put it because so many rules are being broken. And in the 20 minutes that I was cleaning my house today in the morning, I took several pictures. If I sit inside my house and take pictures from inside the house, I bet I can take more than 100 pictures, which can show you how the lockdown is being just being made a joke of. While our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, to whom I salute for the first two lockdowns, the third lockdown has broken all the rules. I think he should come on the television, tell people once more that they should follow this lockdown very seriously, because this is the most critical time of these 2 weeks till 17th of May. I, being a professional, I, being a person who is working, is not doing anything, doing everything from the house, starting from my, home chores to my reading, to my workouts, to my yoga, to everything. I'm not even going outside the house. So I think this is a very risky time. Please, all of us gather. I requested the RWA continuously to make small teams of young people. If these are 4 people, president, treasurer, secretary, joint secretary, whomsoever, if they cannot go house to house, make 2 or 3 small teams, young teams, people who are smart enough. They should go house to house, see whether the Arogya Setu has been downloaded. People are using it, people are aware about it. There are maids, they have passes, they have momentary passes. Where are they coming from? Whether they are living servants, whether they are not living servants, whether they have any kind of problem. Senior citizens are not being called. My father was not even called twice during the third lockdown phase which is happening. They were just first 2 calls which were being made to ask whether everything is okay or not. Whose responsibility is this? This is the responsibility of the Delhi police, to whom I salute. This is the responsibility of the doctors, to whom I salute. And there is nothing more. I have tears in my eyes today when I see songs like Teri Mitti Mein and other songs which really pull our souls out. But actually what is happening on the ground level is something very, very different. Doctors are being targeted, health workers are being targeted. Rather target these stupid people who roam on the roads without masks, who roam on the roads jogging, who roam their dogs. Why can't they just sit inside the house? Yes, everybody's money is on the line, everybody's jobs on the line, but not at the cost of you not being in the world. Once you go, nobody will be there to do anything that you are trying to please them for. So get up. This is a wake up call. Please, 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 I request with folded hands RWA, Shri Harish Bhargav ji, Shri Vijay Kher ji, and Mr. Adlakha ji to please take action against this flout that is happening. Please, I request you with folded hands. I have already put an email to the CM, to the SHO of Police Sarita Vihar. I have tweeted. I request you with folded hands, putting this video out, to please take care of these rules which are being flouted. Your guards are not equipped. They do not understand what is going on. Please educate them. They are cleaning cars of people rather than standing and monitoring these, flautations. Please, this is a request. Thank you. Jai Hind.